The Toyota Land Cruiser's Rear Entertainment System, or RES, is designed specifically for rear passengers, featuring high-definition screens and advanced connectivity options. As of late 2025, the Land Cruiser models offer an optional RES with two 11.6-inch high-definition touchscreens that fold down from the headrests. The system runs on Toyota Audio Multimedia, or TAM, software version 3.0 or later, featuring over-the-air updates for seamless improvements. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone content mirroring. HDMI 2.0 ports provide 4K resolution support for connecting external devices such as gaming consoles or Blu-ray players. Wireless casting employs Miracast technology, complemented by Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable audio streaming. Parental controls can be accessed through the front touchscreen to limit content, screen time, or volume. Overall, the RES fully integrates into the Land Cruiser's digital ecosystem, reducing reliance on wired connections for a modern entertainment experience. Each RES screen is a capacitive touchscreen with built-in speakers, providing an interactive multimedia experience for rear passengers. For HDMI setup, plug an HDMI cable into the rear screen's port and select the HDMI input via the screen's menu. Use high-speed HDMI cables for the best results to avoid signal loss. For wireless casting, ensure both the device and vehicle are on the same Wi-Fi network. Enable wireless display in the vehicle's settings menu. Important tips: disable mobile data to avoid charges. Adjust audio settings via the front console. Preload content on USB drives up to 64 gigabytes for long trips. The system is compatible with Android 8 Plus or iOS 12 Plus.